Hey folks, I am Becky with Enduring Finances. Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look back at all the individual dividends and how my stock portfolio did over the month of December, and a very quick look back over the entire year as far as total dividend income and total market value increase. Before we jump into it, my fiance Jess has told me that I need to take a minute and ask you as a viewer to subscribe to my channel. The majority of people that are watching these videos are not subscribed, and I am trying so hard to reach that 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized and start making a tiny bit of money off of the ads that you are already viewing. Even right now, I'm not getting paid for this, and that is a goal. So if you are watching this and you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, hit the notifications if you want to get notified when new videos come out. And if you really want to, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I personally will respond back to every comment that I get and try to engage in conversation with you. Let's go ahead and jump into the actual video now that I've said my little spiel. For those of you who know, for over a couple years now, I have been doing these monthly dividend portfolio updates, just breaking down the individual dividends that I earn and how the portfolio has performed in different stocks that I purchased. Taking a look at December, this is going to be December 31st, 2024, before starting the new year. My portfolio dropped down to a value of $39,941.50. So we saw a loss of $770.40, or about 1.89% in market value. We started the year with a portfolio valued at $33,090, so we have seen a total increase of $6,850.56 for a market value increase of 19.32% overall. You can see my little breakdown here as we've kind of ping and ponged all the way up, and now we're just below $40,000 here, but ending the year on a very big high, and I am very happy with that. We can see how the portfolio has grown over years from when I initially started investing back in 2014, which was like not even $400, to putting in big money and watching that grow over time. But let's go ahead and look at my strategy and the different stocks that I invested in this past month to rebalance my portfolio. We can see last month breakdown. We ended November with these numbers here, really wanting to look and focusing in real estate sector and healthcare sector. We know real estate sector has been hit very hard for the last couple of years. My target for them is 15%. These are based off of a percentage of the overall total of the portfolio, and it's based not only on their dividend yield but their ability to produce market value increases, which is tech, which is done phenomenally right now. It's 19.4% of my total portfolio value, which my goal is 15%. So for this December, I wanted to focus on investing in real estate, and I did just that. I bought 4 shares of ticker symbol RITM and 2 more shares of ticker symbol NLY. Both of these companies I have been purchasing shares of pretty consistently for the last year. So we ended up spending a total of $81.10 on new shares of stock, which impacts the dividend yield. It drives it up and increases the dividends that I earn from these companies as well. We ended the year and the month of December with my portfolio looking kind of like this. Real estate is still down. Healthcare is still down. We have a lot of companies, sectors within the stock market that are below what I would like as my target breakdown for my portfolio. This is something that I self-manage, and I will reinvest the dividends that I earn to rebalance this to try and hit the target goals that I have for the portfolio breakdown. This is going to be impacted by market increases and decreases for each one of the companies within these sectors that I own. So I think one of the biggest ones we can see is finance. We can see that it was valued at the end of November $10,781. At the end of December, $9,982. So the target dropped down of what we needed to have it maintain that 25%, but we're still getting that $307.90 in dividends regardless of the value of the finance sector within my portfolio. So that's kind of what it looks like, and just kind of tweaking that as we go along every single month, trying to maintain a healthy balance based off of the goals that I have for my portfolio. But let's jump into the total dividend amount that I earned for the month of December. So we can see right here, a little tracker of all the dividends and the month flow. We typically dividends are going to be paid quarterly, some are monthly for me. So we typically have a larger month and then a couple smaller months every single year. For December, we earned $123.65 in dividends, bringing my total 2024 dividend earnings to $1,235.77. Since it is the end of the year and the end of the quarter, we're going to take a look at quarterly dividends because this is kind of a more realistic, thought out way to view it versus monthly, because companies don't pay out every single month. The majority of them don't, I should say. $310.86 to end quarter 4 2024. We can see we started 306, 335, 283, and then 310. And we're seeing this big drop here between quarter 2 and quarter 3 because I sold shares of stock. If you followed me along, you know that I sold 1,000 or so, maybe 2,000. I don't know. I sold a large chunk of stocks to invest them into my real estate rental property that is now up and running. So that's where we're seeing this dip down and kind of flow back up. But this is how we've kind of tracked our dividends returns over time since 2021. But let's go ahead and take a look, see at all of the individual dividends that I earned that make up this monthly total of $123.65. All right, so dividend number 1 coming in on the 2nd of December, ticker symbol ENB, which is Enbridge Incorporated. We're in $1.71, and this is a Canadian company, so we're seeing a 15% tax taken out courtesy of my brokerage account Ally. Speaking of Ally, I have a referral link. If you would like to start your own portfolio and invest through them, I will drop it down below in the description. Feel free to click on it, take a look, see if you want to open an account with them, feel free to. I will get a tiny bit of income based off of that, but you know, I really like Ally. I've been using them for many, many years now, and I recommend them as a platform for investing and developing your own portfolio. You can invest in mutual funds, ETFs, individual stocks, all of that. But we'll leave it like that. So first dividend, ticker symbol ENB. Second dividend, again on the 2nd of December, ticker symbol PFE, which is Pfizer. We're in $2.10 from the 5 shares that I own there, and we are down about $35 in this position. Dividend number 3 coming in again on the 2nd of December, ticker symbol PSX, which is Phillips 66. I earned $3.45 off the 3 shares that I own, and we are up over 81% in this position for a gain of $153. Dividend number 4 coming in again on the 2nd of December, ticker symbol V, which is Visa Incorporated. I earned $1.77 from the 3 shares that I own, and this company is up over 55% for a gain of $338 in market value. And this is a bigger company in my portfolio, coming in at 2.37%, based off of last year's breakdown of my total portfolio, which I'll be doing again. Each one of the sectors in my portfolio is about an average of 1%. So anything that's higher than 1% is big. Anything that's lower is a little guy. And Visa went ahead and increased their dividend this month from 52 cents a share to 59 cents a share, which is fantastic. A 7-cent increase there, which is great. Dividend number 5 coming in on the 4th of December is ticker symbol BNDX, which is the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF. It is part of, I think it's one of the only or 2 ETFs that I actually invested in this portfolio. We earned 29 cents from the 3 shares that we own, and it is down about $6.27, so not too shabby there. Dividend number 6 coming in on the 5th of December, ticker symbol CMI, which is Cummins Incorporated. Earned $1.82 from the 1 share I own, and this share has increased $135.09, or 63.27% in market value increase since I purchased it. Dividend number 7 coming in on the 6th of December, ticker symbol SO, which is Southern Company. Earned $10.80 from the 15 shares that I own, and we're up over $324 in this position, and this company makes up 3.09% of my entire portfolio, and it is one of my personal favorite companies. Dividend number 8 coming in on the 9th of December, ticker symbol AMGN. We earned $2.25 from the 1 share that I own, and we are up about $16 in that share. Dividend number 9, coming in on the 9th of December, is ticker symbol LYB. We earned $1.34. I have one share, and we are up $5.26 in that share. Dividend number 10, coming on the 10th of December, is ticker symbol CVX, which is Chevron Corporation. I own one stock. We're in $1.63 from there, and we are up almost $54.50 in this position for a portfolio for a gain of about 60% in market value. Dividend number 11, coming in on the 10th of December again, is ticker symbol J&J, which is Johnson & Johnson. I have one stock. We're in $1.24 in dividend from it, and it is down about 2.87% loss, so a loss of about $4.28. Dividend number 12, coming in on the 12th of December, is ticker symbol CNP. I earned $6.09 from the 29 shares that I own in this, and we're up almost 50% in this position for a gain of just over $304. And this company increased their dividend 1 cent, so they went from 20 cents a share to 21 cents a share. So I'm happy to see that. Dividend number 13, coming in again on the 12th of December, is ticker symbol HD, which is Home Depot. I earned $2.25 from the one share that I own, and we're up over $103 in this position for a market value increase of about 36%. Dividend number 14, coming in on the 12th of December, is ticker symbol MSFT, which is Microsoft. I have one share. We earned 83 cents off of it, and this company is up about 85%, and they increased their dividend from 75 cents a share to 83 cents a share, so a big jump there, about 8 cents, but I will take it. It is beautiful. Dividend number 15, coming in on the 13th of December, is ticker symbol FLO. I earned $1.20 from the 5 shares that I own, and this company is down just shy of $19 in its position for a loss of about 15.5%, so not too bad there. Dividend number 16, coming in on the 13th of December, is ticker symbol KEY, which is Key Corporation New. We earned $3.08 from the 15 shares that I own, and we are up about 39% in this position. Dividend number 17, coming in again on the 13th of December, is ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income Corporation. We're in $2.90 from the 11 shares that I own, and we are down about 12.5% in this position, and it is a monthly dividend earner in the real estate sector, and I'm very happy with it. Dividend number 18, coming on the 16th of December, is ticker symbol DUK, which is Duke Energy Corporation. I earned $2.09 from the 2 shares that I own, and we're up about $41 in this position. Dividend number 19, coming in on the 16th of December, is one of my favorite companies, ticker symbol KO, which is Coca-Cola. I earned $7.28 from the 15 shares that I own, and we are up 25%, 0.8 in this position for a gain of about $191.55. And this company is on the larger size, coming in at 2.34% of my entire portfolio breakdown. Dividend number 20, coming in again on the 16th of December, is ticker symbol NEE. We earned $3.61 from the 7 shares that I own, and we are down about 4.5% in this position for a loss of about $23. Dividend number 21, the last one to come in on the 16th of December, is ticker symbol STAG. We earned 99 cents from the 8 shares that I own, and we are still standing about 7.95% loss in market value. Dividend number 22, coming in on the 17th of December, is ticker symbol UNH, which is the United Health Group Incorporated. We earned $6.30 from the 3 shares that I own, and we are up over close to 56% in market value increase, which is about $544 in market value increase in my portfolio. And this one comes in at 3.8% of my entire portfolio breakdown, so it is getting larger. Not the biggest one, but it's getting up there as far as one of the bigger companies in my portfolio. Dividend number 23, coming in on the 20th of December, is ticker symbol D. We earned $2.67 from the 4 shares that I own, and we are down about $25 in this position. Dividend number 24, coming in on the 24th of December, is ticker symbol SU, which is Suncor Energy Group. This is a Canadian company, so we are seeing that 15% tax come out courtesy of my brokerage account Ally. We ended up taking home $5.04 from the 15 shares that I own, and this company is up over 130% in its position, over about $302 in market value increase. Dividend number 25, coming in on 26th of December, ticker symbol EFC, another one of my monthly dividend earners. We earned $7.15 from the 55 shares that I own, and this company is down about 33% for a loss of $330-ish. Dividend number 26 coming on the 27th of December, ticker symbol BAC. We earned $8.06 from the 31 shares that I own, and this company is up almost 36% in market value for an increase of just over $359. Dividend number 27th, coming on the 27th of December, is a second dividend from ticker symbol BNDX, the Vanguard Total International Bond ETF. This one is a special one. They did this last year as well, but we took $3.04 in dividends, a second dividend this month from them for the 3 shares that I own. So that is a very, very happy to see that come in at the end of the year. Dividend number 28 coming in again on the 27th of December is ticker symbol KHC, which is Kraft Heinz Company. We're in $3.20 from the 8 shares that I own, and we're down about 25%, $25 in this position, just above 9% loss in market value. Dividend number 29 coming in on the 27th of December, ticker symbol LMT, which is Lockheed Market Corporation. We're in $3.30 from the 1 share that I own. They're up just above 25% in market value, and they increased their dividend 15 cents from $3.15 a share to $3.30 a share, so I'm happy to see that. And then dividend number 30 coming in again on the 27th of December is ticker symbol TROW. We're in $3.72 from the 3 shares that I own, and we are down about 17% in this position. Dividend number 31 coming out on the 31st of December, ticker symbol AVGO, which is Broadcom Incorporated. We're in $10.62 from the 18 shares that I own, and this company, I think this might be a mistake on my end because I think I messed up. So we're going to disregard any of the, because I think I fat fingered it because it's showing a $3,000 increase in market value, and I know that it's not that high. So we'll just disregard that on the spreadsheet, but AVGO did increase their dividend from 53 cents a share to 59 cents a share, so a 6-cent increase there. Dividend number 32 coming in again on the 31st of December is ticker symbol CCI. We earned $7.83 from the 5 shares that I own, and this company is down just shy of 30% for a loss of about $194. Dividend number 33 coming in on the 31st of December again is ticker symbol LTC. We're on $1.90 from the 10 shares that I own. This company pays out monthly, and they're down about $30 in their position. And then dividend number 34, the last dividend I earned in December at all of 2024, is ticker symbol TRV, which is the Travelers Companies. We earned $2.10 from the 2 shares that I own, and we're up over 71.5% in this position for a gain of just over $201. But that wraps up all the 34 individual dividends that I earned that make up the entire $123 there. Let's jump over and see how the dividends and all the different increases and decreases in the market value impacted the statistics of my portfolio, my favorite part, and the goals that I set for myself to accomplish this last year. So as far as the statistics, because that's a hard word, dividend yield. Now this is monthly dividend yield, not annually. So monthly dividend yield is 3.25%. That's what we're ending the month of December at. If you were to look at that per year based off the portfolio value, that would be $1,296.48 in annual dividends. Per month, that would be $108.04. Per week, that would be $24.93. Per day, $3.55. Per hour, 14 cents and 8 tenths, blah, 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 blah. And then per minute, we're still at that 0.2 of a penny. And then if you were to compare this dividend yield to an average 40-hour work rate, we would be making 62 3/10 cents every hour. We can kind of see how the daily dividend yield has turned and increased this year. Started at $3.48 at the very beginning, and we're ending at $3.55 a day there. I'm very happy to see that. Our goals, which is where we're trying to get this dividend yield, if we jump over here, is to have that be about 4% monthly. I should say that is not annual. Earn a 4% monthly dividend return, which would be about $2,000 in dividends on average, or $65.75 a day on average, and the portfolio would need to be valued about $600,000 to achieve that. As far as goals for 2024, I wanted to, reach $34,000 portfolio We surpassed that many months ago. We're ending at $39,941. I wanted to earn $1,400 in dividends. We came in at, $100 and some shy of that. And then I wanted to reach $110 in monthly dividend average and $3.60 a day in dividend average yield. We are well below that as well. Got a little checklist that I've been, working my way down. We have not hit those, but we should hit those in the new year. But overall, the portfolio has responded very, very well. Over a 19% increase in market value this last year, ending at 3.25% monthly dividend yield, which is a beautiful thing. And I'm very, very happy with how this portfolio is performing and how I get to tinker around with it and set it all up and do it because I really enjoy it, which is why I invest this way in this individual portfolio. I do have other investment accounts. I have 2 other retirement accounts that are set at target date funds. I don't manage them myself, but this is the only portfolio that I have right now that I self-manage. I will link up and down below to my investing return. I do a monthly breakdown where I compare the stock portfolio to my other two retirement accounts as far as returns. And then the next video I make, I will be breaking down my entire stock portfolio, every single individual stock in each sector, based off of 12/31/2024, the end of the year, where we're at, and we kind of see on a individual level how we improved from 2023 into 2024, and it gives you a big broad overview of each one of these sectors in a different light. So if you would like to check that out, it will be my next video. Again, coming back to my fiance requested that I do ask you to subscribe to my channel, click the notification so that you know when these videos come out, which is pretty much every single month, and like the video and leave a comment if you would like to. But I'm going to leave this here. Hopefully you guys had a fantastic year in your dividend portfolios or your own investment accounts, and you saw the income and returns that you wanted. I will see you next time. Bye, folks.